Jordan Sawyer, co-founder of Code Chemistry. In today's Under the Microscope, I'm going to be discussing all things email polls. So a poll is an interactive feature that allows your recipients to respond to a question you've asked them directly in your email. So the best way to design your poll is to present a simple, engaging question with multiple choice options, and openers can then select their answer by clicking on one of the choices. Overlaying the near real-time vote percentages over your poll encourages more of those openers to have their say and register their own vote. So once they vote, they click through to a page that's relevant to their vote selection, or you can direct them through to a landing page that's got specific information for their vote. So for example, you can thank them for registering their vote, and you could choose to include the live poll result on that landing page too. By including polls in your emails, you can gather really valuable insights from your customers, which helps you to understand their preferences, their feelings, and their interests. So for example, you can ask them to vote on their favourite product categories, their readiness for upcoming events, their preferred sports teams, or the types of content that they want to see more of. You can even use polls to let them vote on new product ideas, or flavours, or colours, or patterns of wallpaper. Literally anything you can ask your customers to have input into. And then you can use any of the click data that you collect to personalise future emails with relevant content. So there's lots of benefits to using polls in email marketing. And as I said, they do significantly increase engagement, as they offer an easy and interactive way for your openers to participate in the content that you're sending them. So it actually encourages them to engage rather than just kind of skim reading it and passing it over. They can actually click and have their say. That then in turn improves the user experience and the brand connection. So polls actually provide a fun and quick way for your recipients to share their opinions, and they feel like they've been heard, which improves your overall experience, or their overall experience of your emails. And finally, one of the biggest benefits, I think, of using a poll in your email is that you can actually use the click responses for future segmentation. So you can then send follow-up emails to your recipients based on their vote, which is a more real-time interest indicator. And you can personalize follow-up emails, which will further increase any engagement. So by highlighting the near real-time interactions, you can really foster that community-like atmosphere again. You can make your customers feel connected to your brand and encourage the active participation. It's particularly powerful if you then follow up the email that they voted on with relevant content. So it will boost your overall email performance too. So what you need to get started, well, you need the images for the poll options that you want to show, any links that you want to click each image through to, and that's it. You simply choose what you want to create in our platform, click on the tile for polls, follow the steps, and then you generate your poll element HTML. And including the poll in your email, you can expect to see increased clicks as the recipients interact with your content, and increased brand loyalty as they feel connected and heard by you, especially if you are then personalizing subsequent communications. So if you want to try this for yourself, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial for Code Chemistry. You'll find the link below. Thank you.